The cleanup's still underway in the Queens neighborhood. One family's front yard filled with large branches after a huge tree crashed through the roof.
You ask me what I'm thankful for? I tell you, my wife and my life. Because right there in that room, that's where we were when that tree fell. Right under the tree.
Benny Foster's family and neighbors spent Thanksgiving morning helping clean up his home on Queen Christina Lane. Foster says the impact knocked a hole in the roof, sending sheetrock from the ceiling all over the floor in the living room and kitchen.
Temporarily cleaning up, because when the contractors come in here, you know some more gonna get on the floor. But we temporarily cleaning up right now to try to get everything that we can out of the way.
On hard-hit East Hillsdale Drive, crews were removing tree branches from a house almost smashed to pieces by a fallen tree. The owner had a tarp put on the roof before it rains and damages the furniture inside.
Insurance not going to cover it because the trees are laying on the ground. They're not laying on the house. So.
Carrie Jones says she may be forced to spend thousands of dollars to remove 2 trees that fell in her backyard. Foster says he had so much damage, the neighbors hauled away 2 truckloads of debris.
I got some good neighbors. I'm very thankful. I'm thankful for being alive, and I'm thankful for having such great neighbors.
Benny Foster says he knows it's going to take some time to get all the repairs done, but he's determined to get back into the place he's called home for nearly 40 years. In Jackson, Ross Adams, 16 WAPT News.